Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your phone. So if just Wi-Fi is not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So first you just go to the settings, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off, wait a second and just turn on again. So another thing you can try also to tap on your network and just choose forget this network and just submit forgetting this network and just reconnect to it again. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if you still have this error, so you can just go to the general, in the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power on phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest option you can try also to update your phone, so just go to the general, in the general just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.